Why would God give you just enough when his name literally means more than enough, the God of more than enough? His name literally means Al, which is God, Shaddai, more than enough. So it's God more than enough. He will not settle to give you just enough. Now imagine in a wilderness, he gave them more than enough manna. This was in a wilderness. God showed himself to be a God of more than enough in a wilderness. So God is the God of more than enough. He gives you the land of more than enough. He gives you a supply of more than enough. He will never settle with just enough. Why would God give you just enough when his name literally means more than enough, the God of more than enough? John 10 verse 10 says that the thief comes to steal, kill, and destroy. But Jesus said, I have come to give you life and that you may have it more abundantly. That you may have it more abundantly. God is into a life of abundance.